I have this EDIKANI e-bike. I am so stoked to share everything that you need to know about this bike. You can see I'm dressed. It is freezing outside. You can see the snow up here in the beautiful mountains. This thing can ride on any terrain, especially with the big tires. You are going to be so ready to go with this. It's got a 1,000-watt motor here in the back that is going to propel you in so many different ways. Just speaking of the speeds, we've got 7 speeds for the gauges here, but also for the assist. You can see currently we're on the 1 assist, and by just pressing up here on this arrow, it can go all the way up to 5 assists. And if you go down to even 0, it's just going to function as a regular bike. To get this thing to turn on, you're just going to hold down this M button right there. And so obviously it's already on, but we've got your energy bar. I like that there's multiple different bars here, so you can actually see how many energy bars are in here for the battery. This battery is amazing, by the way. It locks in place right here. You can see it's got keys right here. So if you did want to be sure that nobody's going to be taking that, it's awesome. You can push this button to see how much battery is left right there. This is how you charge it, is right here. Super easy to work. I really like the throttle right here. So this is how it functions more like a motorcycle, where if you just push it down, then you're going to get the assist, which is going to ramp you up right there, which is really nice. The brakes are really, really comfortable. They work really well. Right here is probably one of my favorite features. I've ridden other bikes and e-bikes where it's just a circle, typical classic handle, but EDIKANI does a really good job at actually supporting the palm of your hand. So especially if you're riding downhill or you've got a long ride ahead of you, I really, really like that. Over here on the phone holder, this is really, really cool. So over here, you're just going to push this. It's going to slowly open so you can put your phone inside. And then right here, something that is actually really unique is it will actually pull out to support your phone right there. So that's a really, really cool feature that you can see right there. It's got awesome lights right here up in the front. You can turn those on. Also, this piece up here, it can actually adjust. So if you want it to be aimed a little bit more down or a little more up, it can work right there too. Check out this horn. That thing is awesome. I love this bike. It does a really, really good job literally at anything you need it to do. Right here you can see you've got the odometer. I'm going to just press the M button. You can see I'm toggling through. It's got a ton of different modes there that you can do with timers and odometers and things like that. The tires I already mentioned, these things are a beast. Absorbs super, super well. That's mainly from the shocks up here. So right now they're open. So it's got really, really nice shocks right here. You can see I'm barely putting any weight on there, but that thing's obviously shocking it, which is great. If you're riding on a little bit more of like a consistent terrain, you can lock those so that they're not going to engage. And then if you wanted to adjust the shocks, you're going to do that right there. This kickstand, I like how it's right here in the very, very back. So I can move these pedals and have this thing up in the kickstand. It's a phenomenal bike, you guys. Seriously, everything about this. Oh, I forgot to mention the other set of shocks here in the back. This thing is locked and loaded. You're going to have an absolute blast, and I hope that you enjoy it.